Hey guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about swing trading, but how to make $200 every single day from swing trading stocks. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you guys get anything in value out of this video, hit that like button and subscribe. Also, we do now offer private coaching, private one-on-one coaching. I'll put it down below. It's absolutely fantastic. You guys get access to the group chats. You guys get access to the private live stream, to the quizzes, to the lectures, and you guys get one-on-one phone calls with me where we talk about how to build your strategy to make money. So check it out, invest in that education, but let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading and investing in the market, now, to get started, what you need is a broker. A broker is how the average investor like us has access to the stock market. Now, the broker that I use, the one that I love, is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. So this is going to be the broker that I'm going to be showing you guys the charting and all that stuff. So I've been getting a lot of questions about it. So I'll put them down below. You guys can get up to 15 free stock just by signing up. So check it out down below. But let's jump into this here. So when it comes to swing trading, what do we look for? So we look for stocks that follow our strategy and our criteria. We don't just buy random companies. You know, if you go online and you look up top companies to buy, you'll probably see companies like GameStop, which as of today, it's down 15%. You might see companies like Apple, which is a little bit in that overvalued, overvalued territory. It's overvalued on the RSI. It's hitting resistance. So what do we look for? So we look for stocks, or at least for my strategy, we look for stocks that follow your strategy. So there's so many different types of strategies you guys will see online. You guys might find stocks that use moving average lines, RSI lines, MACD indicators, a variety of indicators in most circumstances. But one of the most underutilized strategies that people don't really do is trend lines. And you guys can see that ticker symbol LOMA has this beautiful upward trend, and it hits this red line several times. So it hits it once, twice, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and recently 6 times, and we've gotten this great move out of it. So as of today, this stock is up 2%. So this stock has this beautiful trend line, and obviously if you're going to try to trade a stock, you're going to want to buy it on a support line, which is just where we get tendency of getting buying pressure. So you guys can see hopping in at about 680. The stock is already up a lot, but what makes a successful, trader is understanding your plan, building that strategy. So for this stock here, hopping in at that line, we would set our stop loss just below and our target up at recent resistance level. So our risk and reward is 5.4, risking $1 to make $5.40, which is an absolute fantastic return. So the thing about this is, you may be saying, well, Carter, how do I make $200 a day? That doesn't make sense. So if you're just getting started and you have the approach of, I need to turn $100 into $200 a day, I'm sorry to say, but that's not going to happen. What makes a successful swing trader successful is one thing, and that is base hits. Base hits. What I mean by that is, I would rather see you guys take 1, 2, 3% returns and just compound it over the next year, over the next 2 years, rather than buy GameStop hoping it goes from $3 to $100. Focus on strategies and indicators and trend lines rather than looking online and going on YouTube and searching about top 10 stocks to buy that are undervalued. Don't do that. Find companies, use scanners like Finvez or Moomoo. Or you guys can just check out my course where we talk about how to build scanners, but that's a different thing here. So this stock here is just a basic trend line stock. So I do want to show you guys one more, and this is Amazon. And we've talked about this stock here in the past, but I absolutely love this one here. It has this nice upward trend, but it uses the 90-day moving average line as support. So you guys can see it comes in contact with it, hits it, and we got great buying pressure, right? So it's setting our stops just below it, which is about a 3-to-1 risk and reward. It's undervalued on the RSI, which is the relative strength index. So there's a lot of indicators in our favor. And this is the thing about trading, like I was getting at. This return is maybe only 5-6%, and that's only 1% a day, but I'm telling you, 1% every single day compounded over the year is so much money. If you have $100 compounded, guys, this could easily add up to $1,000, maybe even more. But a lot of traders don't have that long-term approach. They think trading is a get rich quick. They think it's a way to turn 100 into 1,000 in 1 week or 1 month. But I'm telling you, the reality of a successful trader is base hits and consistency. So focus on those. And using Moomoo is a great broker because it offers great scanning, great charting, and it offers so many good time frames, as well as paper trading, which is a way where you guys can practice your strategies, build up confidence, and then slowly start introducing cash and capital to grow your account. So check out Moomoo, guys. They're absolutely fantastic. It's the broker I've used for 6 years and the one that I absolutely love. So we'll see you guys in the next one. I hope you guys all enjoyed this. Like, subscribe, and we'll see you guys later. Take care.